Exercise 2.2 continuation children. Fourth one. The circumference of a circular park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. What is given? Circumference is given 352. So circumference formula we apply 2 pi r. 2 pi r equal to 352. What is 2? Pi value 22 divided by 7 r. Here 252. R equal to, here bought this side 352. R equal to 352. Here you bought this side 1 by, here 2 means 2, 1 by 2. 22 divided by 7 means 7 by 22. So cancel it. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 7 twos are 14, balance 1, 6 twos are 12. So again here 22 is there, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 8 twos are 16, balance 1, 8 twos are 16. Again 11th table, 11 ones are 11, 8 11s are 88. So 8 multiplies 7, 56 meter. So radius equal to 56 meter. Find the area. So area of the park is equal to pi r square units. 22 divided by 7 pi value. Then r square means r value. 56 multiply 56. Cancel it. 22 multiply 8 multiply 56. 176. 176 multiply 56. 9856 meter square. 176 multiply 56. We got 9856. Next one, fifth question children. Fifth one. In a grassland, a sheep is tethered by a rope of length 4.9 meter. Find the maximum area that the sheep can graze. Length of the rope means radius, that is 4.9 meter. Then area of the circle, pi r square units. So what is pi? 22 divided by 7, 22 divided by 7, 4.9 multiply 4. Cancel it here, 7 ones are 7, here 4.9, so 0.7, 7 sevens are 0.9, so put the dot here, 0.7. So 22 multiply 0.7 multiply 4.9, what we get? 75.46 meter square. So area that the sheep can graze, 75.46 meter square. Next, sixth one. Find the length of the rope by which a bull must be tethered in order that it may be able to graze an area of 2464 meter square. Area of the circle given 2464 meter square is given. So apply the formula pi r square equal to this one. R square keep it here. Then bought this side 7 by 22. Cancel it 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are. 11th table. Cancel it. 11th table. 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. Balance 1. Again 11 ones are 11. Here 2. 2 11s are 22. So 112 multiply 7. How to split 112 means using division method. 2 table first. 5 twos are 10, 1 6 twos are 12. Again 2 table. 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 16, 2, 1 twos are 2, 4 twos again, 2 sevens are. Here 4, 2 multiply 2 4, 2 multiply 2 4, here 7. Already 7 is there. So how many is 2? 4 square multiply 7 square. 2 4 is there, so 4 square multiply 7 square. Cancel it all the 2's. So r is equal to 4 multiply 7 28. That is the length of the rope. Answer is length of the rope 28 centimeter. Next one, seventh one children. Lalita wants to buy a round carpet. Lalita wants to buy a round carpet of radius is 63 centimeter for her hall. Find the area that will be covered by the carpet. Radius, what is radius? 63 centimeter. You find the area. Find the, Lalita wants to buy a round carpet is radius only given. So find the area. So area pi r square unit, pi r square square unit. So 22 divided by 7 pi value. Then what is r value? 63 multiply 63. 7 ones are 7. 7 nines are 63. So 22 multiply 9 multiply 63. 22 multiply 9 198. Multiply 63, what we get here? 12,474 centimeter square. Next one, eighth one. Tenmozhi wants to level her circular flower garden whose diameter is, what is given? Diameter is given 49 meter at the rate of rupees 150 per meter square. Find the cost of leveling. Tenmozhi wants to level her circular flower garden whose diameter is 49 meter at the ratio of rupees 150 per meter square. Find the cost of leveling. Solution, children. What is given? Diameter 49 meter. What we need? First find the area. We need R value. So R value D divided by 2 means 49 divided by 2 meter. So area of the garden equal to pi r square units. So pi means 22 divided by 7 multiply 49. Area of the garden means pi r square square units. Here 22 divided by 7 multiply r square means 49 divided by 2 multiply 49 divided by 2. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So here 11 multiply 7, 77 multiply 49 divided by 2. Cancel it. 77 divided by 2, what we get? 38.5. 38.5 multiply 49, what we get? 1886.5 square meter or meter square. This is area. So what is given in the question? At the rate of per meter square means rupees 150. So what is cost of leveling? This 1886.5 meter square. So cost of leveling per meter square rupees 150. So cost of leveling 1886.5 meter square equal to rupees 150 multiply 1886.5. So we got this one. Last answer, after one digit put a dot, cancel it. So what is the answer? 2,82,975 is the answer. Rupees 2,82,975 is the correct answer. Next one, children. Ninth one. Eighth model only, children. Same model. This one homework, children. What is the homework? The floor of the circular swimming pool whose radius 7 meter has to be cemented at the rate of rupees 18 per meter square. Eighth model, children. This one same model. Do it in your class work. This one homework. Find the total cost of cementing the floor. Again, this is radius. You find the area. 22 divided by 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Find the area. Then area multiply cost. That's all, children. This is we got the answer. So the floor of the circular swimming pool whose radius is 7 meter has to be cemented at the rate of rupees 18 per meter square. Find the total cost of cementing the floor. Thank you, children. Write